Let's get our crust pressed into the pie plate. Let's cover this with some plastic and chill it in the fridge. Now let's whip our cream. Okay, let's cover this and put it in the fridge. Now let's whip together our filling. Let's gently fold in our whipped cream. Okay, let's finish this up. It sat overnight. Let's give her a little dust in the cinnamon and nutmeg. A little whipped cream. And now we'll have to try a piece. If you don't have a piping bag, the spray whipped cream is the way to go. And you could also add some more crumbled graham crackers on top.